It's time to roll, baby, roll with oOYes' Roll-On Sex Oil. Roll, baby, roll is designed for edible sex play. It tastes like an orange creamsicle, no added sugar, cannabinoids, and flavored with terpenes. This sublingual application can be applied liberally to your honey pot or peach, and even your lips for an extra kick. Roll on the first round and allow up to 15 minutes to set in before reapplying during sex play. Then lay back and relax while your partner is busy licking and dripping. Remember, Roll Baby Roll does not play well with condoms. All the more reason to lick it clean. When using any cannabis product, it is important to start slow and test what works for you. First time? Try using Roll Baby Roll for self-pleasure. This will be great practice for couples play. Know what works best for you. Roll on liberally to the clitoris, lips, and peach until wet. Rub it in and let it set before reapplying for pleasure. Enjoy!